Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about what you can do if your incoming call is not shown on your display screen in your device Samsung Z Fold. So if you're facing this kind of problem, you can get it fixed by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start those steps, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how can you show your incoming calls on your screen.